Hello, welcome to the WeAreNoCode channel. My name is Kyle. In this video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about no-code and starting a new business. So let's go to my computer so I can share some thoughts with you in this video. So today we're going to talk about a little bit around the no-code space and creating a new business. What I see often is that a lot of people, they have an idea. That idea could be building an app, building a website, for example, or even a digital product. And what happens is when they have an idea, they are non-technical. It means they cannot code. This leads to getting stuck. A lot of people, they have an idea and they want to build this idea, but they get stuck because they can't code, right? So they are not technical, they get stuck and they sometimes don't have money to invest. Another thing that happens is that they are not sure about this idea. Sometimes they have money, but they are not sure if they want to invest in this idea because it's just an idea. For now, they are not sure, they are non-technical, they are afraid, have risk. This idea might be risky, they are afraid. So they get stuck. They never take action. They never do anything, just keep thinking about this idea forever. And sometimes when they want to build an app, a website, a digital product, a way to get unstuck is by hiring someone to build it, right? So you want to build an app, you hire someone to build it, and then you get unstuck. But the price and the cost to do it is very expensive. And they are still not sure about the idea. They are afraid. It's risky. Also, it's not only about money, it's about time, right? Another way to get unstuck would be getting a partner, a technical co-founder. But it's hard to find. And then you get stuck again. Also here, you have to invest like 50K to 100K sometimes. The time can be months and years sometimes. And then because they are afraid, they think it's a high risk, not sure about the idea, sometimes don't have money to invest, or sometimes have money but haven't decided yet. They are here in this situation to get unstuck, right? But what happens is that they get stuck again because all these problems still exist. This also takes a lot of time. Finding a co-founder has to be the perfect person, willing to participate, to build that for you for free. High demand in the market for technical people. If you want to get started in the no-code space, we prepared a free course just for you. There's a link down below in the video description section. Just go there, click and enroll for free today. And all those things also getting in the way, right? Do you relate to that? So this is what happens. And even sometimes people don't have a concrete goal. Why building an app? Building a website, building this digital product. So it's a common situation that happens with first-time entrepreneurs. Even if you have the money, sometimes it's crazy to invest that amount upfront because you still have risk involved, and you are right to be concerned about those things. But there are ways to reduce the risk, to get unstuck, to understand if this idea is worth pursuing. So then you can remove the risk, reduce the risk, be sure about the idea, be less afraid, be willing to invest the money. And there is a way for you also to avoid this path. One way to reduce risk is to validate your idea, right? So before you build everything, you validate your idea. Because another thing that happens is when people want to build an app, they have a big idea, lots of features. They want it fast. And when you have a project that has lots of features, you want it fast, and you go and talk to someone that can build that app for you, it will make the price go up, right? Because you have a big idea. You have lots of features. You want it sometimes fast. This makes the price go way up. And what happens is that the risk also increases. When you simplify the idea, you have less features and you have specific goals. You decide to validate your idea, you reduce the risk and also reduce the time needed to build this. So it's much better. If you just validate your idea, you get all those benefits. So instead of building the whole product, you build a MVP, which is a minimum viable product that is simplified, less features, and have specific goals. The goal is to validate your idea and reduce the time needed, the money needed, and the risk. So that's what you should do while building a new project. And that's how we believe you have more chances of success. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share this with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.